Hi everyone, Danny here. Why do production goals always feel out of reach? The answer is simple. The plan doesn't match reality. Other than that, the team usually creates only a tactical or targeted scheduling plan, not a detailed one. Let me tell you how SPRY can transform your detailed planning process and help you hit your target effectively. A tactical or targeted scheduling plan focuses on the target production numbers. This type of plan excludes other variables that may impact mining operations. This usually occurs because the tool used are not capable of incorporating all relevant variables. A detailed scheduling plan takes actual mining conditions into account. It is developed not only based on the target production numbers, but also includes all variables that affect actual mining operations. So, how can target production be achieved effectively? The key to achieving target production is the scheduling plan. The more detailed the scheduling plan, the more realistic it becomes. Mining companies have to develop detailed scheduling plans that incorporate all the variables affecting mining operations. Some mandatory variables to consider in a scheduling plan include equipment distribution, equipment sequence, mining delays such as weather delays, mining support delays, and equipment movement delays. Unfortunately, not all mine scheduling software can accommodate this variable effectively. Let me provide a case study example on these two types of scheduling plans. A mining company wants to build a 3-month rolling plan, July to September, with a block mining sequence. They are using 3 pieces of equipment. The target per month for waste is 1.7 million and coal is 150,000, with stripping ratio 11.3. There are some constraints in the actual mining sequence. First, every block is only allowed to put 1 piece of equipment. Second, each equipment is only allowed to excavate with a maximum different bench in each block of 20 meters. Third, there are delays during the mining activity. Every day it always rains for 3 hours. Any activity of roof coal cleaning takes 2 hours. If any movement of waste equipment from one block to another block occurs, travel time takes 1 hour, and setting up the electricity cable for the equipment takes 6 hours. How do the two types of mine scheduling plans compare? Let's dive in. Tactical scheduling considers only target waste and coal. Constraints related to the mining sequence such as total equipment distribution, equipment movement, and potential delays are excluded. For example, you simply input 1 piece of equipment, set a target number, and run the process. You will receive waste coal production report and the future phase position of your mining area. But is it accurate, realistic, and executable? Now let's examine the result of detailed scheduling plan. For a detailed scheduling plan, all variables must be considered. Equipment distribution, equipment movement, and all delays must be incorporated into the mining sequence plan. The good news is, SPRY Scheduler can accommodate these variables easily and effectively. SPRY has new proximity constraint features. These features limit to the total equipment that can be used at each mining level sequence. It is particularly useful for enforcing constraints such as every block is only allowed to put 1 equipment waste. SPRY has new offset dependencies feature. This feature to set the detailed sequence and a maximum different bench. SPRY has delay features. SPRY offers several delays-related features with specific functionalities. First, delays. These are designed for managing weather delays and other repetitive or recurring delays. Second, release delay in new process order dependencies. This feature is used to account for delays caused by coal roof cleaning activities. And the last one, release delay in scripting features. These features addresses delays associated with equipment movement. If we compare tactical scheduling versus detailed scheduling, we can clearly see which approach produces a more realistic scheduling sequence. Tactical scheduling relies on the target production numbers. Its sequence is impractical to execute and doesn't reflect actual conditions. On the other hand, detailed scheduling closely mirrors actual conditions. Equipment distribution, equipment movement, and delays are simulated in the animation. The delays are also visible in the timeline report. and the sequence is both executable and realistic.
The difference is clear. With SPRY, you can move beyond tactical plans and embrace realistic, detailed scheduling that deliver results. So, ready to transform your operations? Visit us at maximise.com to learn how SPRY can help your production targets.